Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see that it has some interesting features and the drawing with all dimensions is here. We start by creating all this volume. You see details here and also here. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch XY plane, and we start with a circle centered here, diameter of 10, and another one with a radius 12, then a line starting from somewhere here, vertical with a length of 235 millimeters. This is a center line. The distance between the line and this point is not a diameter but a distance, is 17. And this end point is on the same horizontal with the center point. Good. Then we create another circle with a diameter of 20 and another one with a radius of 18. Another circle is this one with a radius 7. I hope it is placed on this axis. Yes, it is. Then I draw a line, press the left button of the mouse and obtain the two tangencies. Here again, same procedure. We make a similar action. You see parallel, yes? They are parallel. Restart. Press the left button and parallel with this. Let's see if the parallelism is obtained. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Trim. This, and this. The distance between the two circles, arcs, is 135. Not 235. Good. Then we draw a line to be an arc. I press the left button and I try to find the tangency. I don't find it. The radius is 75. and tangent to the circle. Another line to become a circle is this one, to somewhere here. The radius is also 75. We draw another line, press the left button, and you have a tangent. Go somewhere here. Then we continue with this arc. Press the left button. Go here. Press the left button and go to this end. Dimensions. This is at 40. This is at 13 from this line, not diameter but distance of 13. This is radius 18. This is radius 24. We trim these arcs and this point horizontal with this center point. We have one dimension needed, and we move it somewhere here, and on the same vertical are this point with the center point. We continue with other lines. This must be horizontal, perpendicular on this. You see the sign. Then a sloped line. Then another line starting from this arc, sloped, as you can see. I draw a horizontal here because I want to place an angle. This is construction. The angle is 14. And some dimensions here. This is 20. This is 7 from this point to the line. The angle is also 14. And another dimension is from this 7 to this point of 87. I hope, yes, it is on the same circle. Good. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. We change this line. Instead of being center line, I want to be construction. Then we have to apply extrusions. There are many extrusions here. This is one, this is the second, this is the third, and the internal void volume is the fourth. Dimensions are here. 8 is this, 3 is here, the thickness, external 16, internal 8. You must be careful because I want to create all these extrusions at once. Take a look here. Extrude, this area symmetrical on 3 plus this other area symmetrical on 8 plus all these 3 areas 1, 2, 3 as 16 plus this only area with cut on 8. Okay, you see all of them at once. We continue with this jagged area containing 13 cuts of 60 degrees along this 95 degrees. You have to be careful because these two lines are symmetrical about a line starting from the center of radius 18, and the first line starts at 0.5 millimeters from this line. We don't ignore this 2 millimeters distance. Good. This is the face. We project this arc to have the center. We draw a line from this center to somewhere here, not parallel, not anything. Then we draw 2 lines starting not from there, starting from somewhere here, going here, then here. The angle is 60 degrees and this point is placed at 0.5. We make equal these 2 lines, but we have to take care because this is vertical and we don't want it to be vertical. We want to make to measure here a distance between these 2 points of 2 millimeters. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. I make this line as construction and I apply a cut, finish, extrude with cut all the way through the part. Okay, now we have the first gap or cut. Then we apply a circular pattern of the last feature, that gap, about this axis with the other direction 13, but not on 360 degrees, but 95 degrees. Okay. Now you see we have that jagged area. Now we see that there is a round face all around this contour. Dimension is this radius 6. You see? This is radius 6. It is not 8 or 4 millimeters to cover all this 8 dimension. Good. Where is the start? The start is here. Okay. We use this face for a new sketch. We project both lines, F7, then we draw an arc between this level, there is a level here, to this level with a radius of 6. This center is on the same horizontal, this center, with this projection of the center point. Then we connect these 2 points. We draw a line here. We draw a line from this point to this point and back to here. Good. Now we apply tangent. We apply tangent between this arc and this line. Finish sketch. Sweep this area as a cut about this edge. Okay. Then fillets radius 2, only here. This radius 2, also here. Okay. Now we see that there is a mark here through the part. The drawing has dimensions. Tahoma is the font, bold, 6 millimeters is the height, and through the part. 20 is 1 dimension, and this must be aligned with this center point. Good, let's do this. We select this face, then we go here, we use text, we place the text somewhere in the middle because we want to be in the middle. SFC, home, 6 is the dimension, not 6.1 but 6. Bold. Okay. The distance from this end line to the center, I didn't project it, the center. Let me project it. Now we have a center somewhere here, so that we can apply the dimension of 20. We also place on the same vertical this point with the center of the bottom or upper center. Finish sketch. we use emboss of this profile with cut on 8 millimeters. Okay, you see, that's good. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is very near the other. We keep the last value because this is what we did today. Material is stainless steel without edges and with the default lights. We can compare the two. We don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.